Mewing newbies often miss the memo on putting in the effort, paving the way for common slip-ups. These blunders might spell trouble, from wonky teeth to a lopsided face or even a surprise double chin. Buckle up as we dissect these pitfalls. Steering clear is your ticket to a triumphant mewing journey. One of the most significant mewing mistakes is only placing the tip of your tongue against your palate. While this is a common starting point, it's essential to understand that the entire tongue, particularly the back part, should be against the palate. Applying excessive pressure with just the tip, especially against the front teeth, can lead to undesirable outcomes like teeth separation or protrusion. Another misconception is treating mewing as an exercise. Unlike traditional exercises where repetition builds muscle, mewing is a lifestyle change. It's not about doing a few minutes a day, but about adopting correct tongue posture and nose breathing as a long-term habit. The real benefits of mewing include improved sleep, better breathing, and enhanced oxygen intake, which compound over time. Before diving into mewing, it's crucial to learn how to nose breathe effectively. Failing to do so can lead to other mewing mistakes and compromise the overall effectiveness of the practice. Swallowing is another common mistake in mewing. Holding a swallowing position while attempting to mew can obstruct airflow, contradicting the primary goal of promoting healthy tongue posture and nose breathing. Touching the front teeth with the tongue is a significant mewing error that can result in moving the teeth and creating other issues over time. The correct position involves keeping the tongue behind the front teeth. Maintaining an excessively open mouth during mewing can cause unnecessary stress on the jaw. While starting with a slightly open mouth might be more comfortable, the goal is to gradually bring the teeth together without compromising the correct tongue posture. Attempting to mew while eating, sleeping, or talking is discouraged. These activities should be approached naturally without trying to force mewing into them. Consistency in mewing over the long term is key to seeing positive results. Cheek pinching, or sucking in the cheeks between the teeth, is not a recommended practice. While it may offer a temporary appearance change, it can be uncomfortable and detrimental to proper tongue posture over time. Finally, it's crucial to avoid the misconception that mewing will fix all your problems. While mewing can contribute to facial improvements, it's just one aspect of self-improvement. It's essential to focus on overall well-being, intelligence, and personal growth rather than relying solely on appearance enhancement. Remember, mewing is a tool in your toolbox, and it should be approached with a long-term perspective. Embrace the health benefits it brings, stay consistent, and be content with the improvements you achieve over time. Your journey with mewing is unique, so enjoy the process and take care of yourself. Thank you for tuning in, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Wishing you a successful and fulfilling mewing journey.